Alright, so I'm doing another video with bass. Sounds like shit on the camera, but it sounds pretty clean.
Telling me I miss you. Neighbors on the phone, they just trying to get through. Can you smell me? Ooh, shit, boo. Now I think you wanna start with it. Yeah. Took my dream and put my heart in it. Yeah. Rock the man, I'm saying stop with it. Got your girl coming through, she up, I'm ready out with it. Never did it how y'all did it, then I boom. Coming through in all black, looking criminal. She wanna leave this party, can't believe this. Daddy want me, what am I to do? But she got a feeling like an interview. And I'm still like a smile road kid. While I'm driving like I'm blindfolded. Never worry about my own chick cook. All my friends do drugs, man, it's such a problem. And I love white women, they're my fucking problem. And I'm fucking on the hearts, maybe we can rob them. Man, I love these girls, but it's such a problem. Got another coming through, I'm stalling. Man, I love white women, they're my fucking problem. If I find somebody red in the morning, and I bet his daddy's rich, we can rob him. All jokes to the side, though. She's freak like a sideshow. I'm just hoping they can fight, though. Stopping left so many times by these fine hoes. Girl named Mary, girl named Molly. We can both get married if we all live jolly. If I'm creeping with another pawn, ain't nobody stop me. I'll be coming till I'm number one. Everybody party, it's all love. I just wanna laugh about it. Turn down the record, yeah, they couldn't wait to talk about it. Taking my time when making my mind. If they ain't put it on the list, she wanna make.
Wait, I'm gonna do another song.
Hey, my mama said, fuck you nigga, hit the streets and live. Got some crack in the corner and I did what I did. The neighbors, they don't like me, I got J's at the door. Told my grandma I don't need a bed, I'm sleeping.
Neighbors got home, so yeah, next time I'll do another video. By the way, it's a Planet Audio Anarchy 1500 monoblock with 212s, 150 RMS each, with only how can you say this? Oh yeah, 4th order box, tuned to 44 hertz, dual ports. It's basically for everything, competing, outside the car, SPL. It was made for everything. Overall, I like the 4th order box, so thanks. And this stereo helps a lot. It sounds pretty clean with everything. Thanks for watching.